Good morning everyone, it's Kirsty here. Just come on to say it's a beautiful day. There's a lot of rubbish and horrible things going on at the moment, but this is just a stunning morning. Out with Haggis, she's over there somewhere. And just to say that although I can't come out and do hands-on treatments at the moment, obviously I am still here for you, all my lovely people. If you've got aches and pains, you're getting bored because you can't get to the gym, give me a ring, okay? Over the next few weeks, however long this goes on for, I'm going to be posting ideas for you to keep your fitness up, to keep your stretches going so that you don't get too stiff, you don't get bored, keep your mental well-being going. There's going to be videos, there's going to be little posts, tips and things to support you all. Now, if you have got any niggles or aches or pains, give me a ring. We can do something over a face-to-face internet platform. We can do WhatsApp video. We can do a Zoom call. And there's another one I can't remember off the top of my head. So we can have a conversation, and you can tell me what the problem is. You can point to it and say, oh, it's my left shoulder, it's in here when I do this, and I'll be able to give you some self-care advice to keep you pain-free over the next few weeks. Okay, so don't forget, I'm here for you. I'll post this evening what our weekly total has been, because it's been another good week this week, and I anticipate over the next few weeks that mileage is definitely going to go up. So have a great day, all you mothers out there. Have a lovely day, even if you're not face to face. And if you can get out, get some fresh air. Whoops. It'll make you feel better. If you can't get out, open a window. Let's go this way. Open a window and just breathe in some fresh air. I guarantee it'll help you feel a little bit better. For those of you in Calfold, if you are stuck for anything, you've got my number. I'm still going out and looking at and getting stuff for people if they are isolated. So I'll post my number at the top of this in case you haven't got it. But in the meantime, have a fantastic day. It's not all doom and gloom. We will get through this, and everybody I'll see you very soon. All right, have a great day. Take care. Bye.